Final video to solve the problem about installing and using ZeroTier. Are you also facing this problem where you want to install ZeroTier but don't know how to start or use it? Stay with me, because this will make it very simple to understand. ZeroTier is a tool that helps you create virtual networks to connect devices over the internet safely. Many people get confused because the installation seems technical and they're not sure how to join or manage networks after installing it. Without the right steps, it's easy to get stuck and not use the tool at all. You may see many tutorials online, but most of them are complicated. They tell you to run multiple commands, edit network settings manually, or use complex instructions that are hard to follow. When I faced this problem, those methods wasted my time. But I solved it with one secret easy trick that installs and sets up ZeroTier correctly in just a few minutes. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial on how to install and use ZeroTier, just comment down below. I will show you the easiest method so your devices connect smoothly and securely. And for more simple tech guides, stay close to my channel Rexish, because I always share the easiest ways to solve these problems.